Believe it or not, one big key to pool cleaners in general, and the Aquabug, in specific, is good maintenance, assembly, and care of the hoses. All right, all the hoses pretty much look the same. They've got a male end and a female end. To assemble them properly, now these are new ones. We take the female end and the male end and insert tab A into slot B. Now, sometimes a little bit of friction. What I like to do is boop, dip both ends into water. These being brand spanking new, well, yeah, along with my manly muscles, make it go in real nice and easy. But keeping the hoses, never, never, never loop or coil to store your hoses. It's just like throwing your money away. The brake, these hoses are expensive, made of good plastic, engineered, excellent, don't coil them. If you're going to store them straight, okay? The other thing is you want to always make sure that they're free from little tiny pinprick holes and other things. One of the ways I do that is I'll take it out of the water, just a little coil, and listen. And if I hear, not that banging sound, but a type of sound, yes, I do hose imitations too, then it's time to replace that piece. If it's sucking through the hose, it's not sucking through the cleaner. And probably the most important connection is this. This is a special hose. It is called the leader hose. Not to be confused with leader hose. And, oh, I can't believe he said that. Okay, seriously, guys, we're going to take this and we're going to put it tight onto the cone gear. Tight! All right? Why? Because, well, as we discussed earlier, as a refresher, the cleaner it actually spins underneath. This and the cone stay constant, and this is how it steers itself. Very important. If it's cracked or loose or spins, not the whole thing, but the hose spins on the top of the cone, replace it. And when you're storing her, you'll want to store it like this. Hose assembly. Even when you bring it in for repair, if you're not going to do it yourself by watching these videos, don't take this part off unless you absolutely have to. Keep it straight, and you're going to have a happy, healthy hose life.